The tab extension is most frequently encountered as a MapInfo TAB file or a guitar tablature file. It functions as either a specialized geospatial dataset for mapping or a text-based musical score for guitarists. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are analyzing urban zoning data or learning a new song on a 6 string. Don't close the guide if the TAB file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. In the professional GIS, Geographic Information Systems, industry, the TAB format is the native file type for MapInfo Pro. It acts as a link file that ties together several other data files to display points, lines, and boundaries on a map. In the world of music, the extension is used for guitar tabs, which are simplified scores that tell a player exactly which fret and string to press, rather than requiring them to read traditional musical notation. MapInfo.t. AB files are governed by a spatial indexing protocol. The TAB file itself is actually a small text-based header that points to a DAT file, attribute data, a map file, the actual geometry, and an ID file, the cross-reference index. Music TAB files follow a standard ASCII text protocol where 6 horizontal lines represent the guitar strings, and numbers placed on those lines indicate which fret should be played at a specific moment in the song. The designated application for the TAB file is MapInfo Pro from Precisely. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the TAB file and choose Open With. Start with MapInfo Pro if available. If not, choose another option, expect a little trial and error. When a TAB file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We know the TAB format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, identifying the data origin. Distinguish these by the folder environment and file size. If the file is in a folder full of other files with the same name but different extensions, date, map, ID, it is a geospatial map. If it is a standalone file that you can read easily in Notepad, it is music. You can verify a MapInfo file by its first line, which usually reads definition terminus or type native. Music files are instantly recognizable by their ASCII art, appearance of dashed lines and numbers. Next, opening and modification. To view professional maps, you must use MapInfo Pro or a GIS viewer like QGIS. You cannot simply open the tab file alone without its companion files being present in the same folder. For music, any text editor will work, though dedicated software like Guitar Pro or Tux Guitar provides better formatting and audio playback. Note that if you see a tab file in a database context, it might just be a tab-separated values file, which is essentially a spreadsheet where a tab character separates each column. Finally, fixing broken links and formatting errors. If a MapInfo project fails to load, it is usually because one of the companion files, like the ID or map, was renamed or deleted. Ensuring all files have the exact same prefix name will restore the link. For guitarists, the most common issue is text wrapping. If a tab looks like a jumbled mess of numbers, your text editor probably has word wrap turned on. Disabling word wrap and using a fixed width font like Courier New will perfectly realign the strings and frets. Failures with installed programs usually stem from TAB being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the TAB problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. This solution comes directly from my professional file integrity workflow. I appreciate the loyal subscribers. New viewers, please subscribe and welcome to the team.